Dear students, for question number 3, we have water analysis practical. Water analysis includes steps like finding pH, determining turbidity, and observing planktons in a drop of water. This year, we have to find out only pH of water from sources like pond, well, tap, etc. We know that if the pH is below 7, then the sample is acidic. Whereas if the pH is greater than 7, then the sample is alkaline. pH of pure water is 7. That is, pure water is neutral. But if we take samples from freshwater sources like pond, well, or waterfalls and check the pH, it seems to be ranging from 5.5 to 8. Thus, pH of water is determined by dissolved minerals from earth crust in it. pH of water is also altered by factors like air pollutants, fertilizers, industrial effluents, sewage, etc. If you check the pH of rainwater, it is around 5.5, whereas that of seawater is around 8.2. Find out why it is so. Water with pH range 5 to 9 is safe to drink. It is also safe for aquatic animals and plants. Water below pH 3 leads heavy metals to dissolve and causes irritation of eyes, skin rash, etc. Low pH of water due to algal blooms increases BOD, that is biological oxygen demand, and affects aquatic life. Water beyond pH 11, for example, sewage water with lots of detergent decreases chlorination capacity. Such water cannot be disinfected completely, which leads to growth of harmful microorganisms and hence it is not potable. The procedure to detect pH is as follows. During the exam, you will be given two samples. You have to write A, B, on the slides. Take one drop of water sample on slide corresponding to the alphabet. We have to label those slides as we are taking unknown water sample or samples from unknown water source. With the help of pH paper, we have to find out pH of the sample. Here, do not handle the pH paper. Use a forceps instead. This is because we will be doing other experiments during exam which may have use of acidic solutions. After a minute, you can see change in the color of pH paper. with the help of pH indicator strip, we have to find out exact pH of the sample. Here, the color of the pH paper is in between 3 and 5. So we can say that pH of sample A is 4. So sample A is acidic. If you see sample C, then the color indicates that pH of sample is 8, means sample C is alkaline. So accordingly, on paper, you will be writing the observation table, which should include sample, whether A or B, pH number, what we have got, and inference, whether sample is acidic, alkaline, or neutral. Along with observation table, you also have to write conclusion, which should include whether the water is potable or not.